माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
papers to be laid on the table. General Retired V.K. Singh.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं अपने वरिष्ठ सहयोगी श्रीमती सुषमा स्वराज विदेश मंत्री के नाम के सामने आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 1 में सूचीबद्ध दस्तावेज सदन पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री आनंद गीते।
महोदय, मुझे आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने क्रम संख्या 2 पर सूचीबद्ध कागजात सदन के पटल पर रखने की अनुमति प्रदान की जाए। धन्यवाद।
श्री प्रकाश जावड़ेकर।
With your permission, I raise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 3 in today's revised list of business.
डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह।
सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यवली के क्रम संख्या 4 पर मेरे नाम के आगे सूचीबद्ध कागजात सभा पटल पर रखता हूं। धन्यवाद।
रिपोर्ट ऑफ द सेलेक्ट कमेटी ऑन द पेमेंट एंड सेटलमेंट सिस्टम अमेंडमेंट बिल 2014। श्री वीपी सिंह बदनौर।
Sir, with the permission of the chair, I would like to present to the House a report in English and Hindi of the Select Committee on the Payment and Settlement Systems Amendment Bill 2014 as passed by Lok Sabha.
Report of the Department of Labour Parliament Standing Committee on Personal Public Grievance Law and Justice. Dr. E.M. Sudarsana Chepan.
Sir, I beg to submit the 74th report in English and Hindi of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Personal Public Grievance Law and Justice on the tribunals, appellate tribunals and other authorities conditions of service bill 2014.
Now, zero our submission. Sri Bhupinder Singh.
Sir,
You give notice? Give notice, give notice. You can give notice. You give, have you given zero hour notice? Have you given zero hour notice? You give zero hour notice. Now, Sri Bhupendra Singh.
थैंक यू डिप्टी चेयरमैन सर। सर, मैं आज जो बोलने जा रहा हूं कि सर कालाहांडी अनडिवाइडेड डिस्ट्रिक्ट जो है वो केबी के जोन के अंदर आता है, कालाहांडी, बलांगीर एंड कोरापुट। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने इस तीनों जिलों को एक रीजनल स्पेशल रीजन के हिसाब से इसको ग्रहण किया है। और सर 1960 तक वो एक जिला था, अब 2 जिले बन गए जहां पे पढ़ने के लिए कॉलेज नहीं था। और 1977 में हम लोगों ने खरियार में, जो मैं मुद्दा ला रहा हूं, खरियार में एक कॉलेज 1977 में प्राइवेट हम लोगों ने शुरू किया था कुछ लड़कों ने। और आज वहीं खरियार में सर केंद्रीय विद्यालय भारत सरकार ने 2010 से चालू किया था वहां। और अब इस साल मार्च 13 तक को लास्ट डेट ऑफ एडमिशन है और पहली जमात में अभी एडमिशन के लिए केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन ने रोक लगा दी, बोले कि हम यहां अभी एडमिशन इस साल से नहीं करेंगे। 10 एकड़ की जमीन उड़ीसा सरकार ने और कलेक्टर नौपड़ा ने 10 एकड़ की जमीन भी वहां दी गई है। और अगर वो जमीन उनको पसंद नहीं आ रही है तो सब्स्टिट्यूट जमीन देने के लिए भी ये हमारी तरफ से, सरकार की तरफ से व्यवस्था की गई है। सर, मैं आपके माध्यम से सरकार से निवेदन करना चाहता हूं कि छोटे छोटे बच्चों का सवाल है और एक पिछड़ा इलाका है, एजुकेशन में, शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में सबसे पिछड़ा इलाका है ये। और वहां केंद्रीय विद्यालय जब बना है तो पहले जमात में अगर 13 तारीख को लास्ट डेट है और इसके ऊपर सरकार से बात भी नहीं किया गया। रीजनल ऑफिस जो है केंद्रीय विद्यालय की, सर केंद्रीय विद्यालय जो खरियार में है उसके लिए सर रायपुर में आपका रीजनल ऑफिस है। रायपुर में जो ऑफिस है सर, रायपुर ऑफिस वालों को वहां गए, लेकिन उसके लिए अगर वो जमीन उनको पसंद नहीं है तो सब्स्टिट्यूट जमीन देने के लिए भी गवर्नमेंट ने और कलेक्टर एग्री कर रहे हैं। इसीलिए हम सरकार से निवेदन करेंगे आपके माध्यम से कि जल्द से जल्द कंटिन्यू किया जाए। स्कूल में ऑलरेडी बच्चे 3 साल से पढ़ रहे हैं और पहली जमात से इस बार एडमिशन वहां किया जाए। और एक सर धर्मगढ़ सब डिवीजन है कालाहांडी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, वहां भी 6084 रुपए में 10 एकड़ जमीन दी थी। जब केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन ने कहा कि यहां अगर 1 रुपए में अगर जमीन देंगे तो होगा, तो उसके लिए भी मैंने अभी जिलापाल से कलेक्टर से वहां बात की कालाहांडी से, और वो भी सरकार राजी हो गए हैं। 1 रुपए में जमीन वहां 10 एकड़ दी गई है। और आज तक 3 साल हो गए सर, वहां पे केंद्रीय विद्यालय एक सब डिवीजन है छत्तीसगढ़ से लगा हुआ, ये छत्तीसगढ़ स्टेट से एकदम बॉर्डर के ऊपर ये सब डिवीजन है, वहां पे वो केंद्रीय विद्यालय शुरू करने की बात है। और वहां केंद्रीय विद्यालय में परमानेंट प्रिंसिपल जो है, परमानेंट प्रिंसिपल भी वहां पे देने की आवश्यकता है। और उसके लिए मैं निवेदन करता हूं सरकार से कि ये जो खरियार का मुद्दा है, जहां पे स्कूल चल रहा है, उसको अतिशीघ्र सरकार वहां पे एडमिशन शुरू करने की आदेश। यहाँ पार्लियामेंट अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर हैं, लीडर ऑफ द हाउस भी यहाँ आज मौजूद हैं। मैं निवेदन करूंगा कि आज ही उनको बता दिया जाए रायपुर में, जो रीजनल ऑफिस है रायपुर में, कि वहां पे एडमिशन शुरू किया जाए सर। यही मेरा निवेदन है सरकार से।
Thank you. Sri Derek O'Brien.
Sir, only 43 people since independence have been conferred the Bharat Ratna. Just 43. And one of these 43 is Mother Teresa. So the kind of comments made a few days ago not only insults the memory of Mother Teresa, who is far from beyond being a Christian nun. She is a national icon, she is an international icon. So a statement like this, I think, insults all the 40 or 43 people who won the Bharat Ratna. And it insults our nation. Sir, the man, can't say gentleman, the man who made the statement, said something that she converts. The interesting thing is, for people like us who've lived our lives in Kolkata, yes, Mother Teresa is on record saying, I convert. She has said this. She has said, I convert Hindus to become good Hindus. I convert Muslims to become good Muslims. I convert Christians to become good Christians. If you've been this man, the beautiful classical Hindu text of the Bhagavad Gita or the Puran, we should follow those texts and not listen to one Bhagavat, because this is the wrong kind of advice he's giving to our nation. And the most dangerous part of this is nobody, sir, my time, sir, my time,
Allow him to say.
sir, my time.
Let him have his say. Why do you interrupt him? You sit down. Why do you interrupt him? Yes,
Sir, my
you
time.
sit down. Don't interrupt him. All of you take your seat. Please take your seat. Now, see, I am asking the people on this side, sit down. Why do you interrupt him? Sit down. You sit down. Why do you interrupt? Sit down. Why? Sit down. Sit down.
Sir.
Yes. Why do you interrupt? Sit down. No, you are no right. Sit down.
Sir,
What is this?
sir, now the time is being reset.
Yeah, you
Thank
will
you,
get
thank you, sir.
one more
He's
minute.
resetting the time, 2 minutes.
One
sir.
more
Thank
minute
sir.
you will get.
Sir, they took away sir, everything is being taken away, sir. At least keep my time.
That's
Sir,
why I compensate by 1 minute.
Sir, please, I want to suggest for these kind of people to visit Nirmal Hriday, the home for the dying, to visit Shanti Nagar, to visit Shishu Bhavan, and interestingly, to listen to the former Shiv Sena MP, Pritish Nandi, who lived in Calcutta.
No,
And
no mention. No, name is expense.
sir,
No, name is expense. Name is expense. Sit down.
sir,
Sit down.
sir. Acha.
Honorable LOP, Sri Ghulam Nabi Asad ji, ask them to take, let him have his say,
Sir.
please. You sit down. Arey, आप बैठिए,
Sir.
आप बैठिए. Mr. Naqvi, Mr.
Sir.
Naqvi, Mr. Naqvi,
Sir,
ask your
I
people
know-
to behave. Yes.
Whenever we say something like this,
No, no.
sir,
Yeah, that's what I am asking. That's what I am asking. Why should they stand up? They seem to support, but they don't
This is
allow
the-
them to make their statement.
this is the problem.
What is this kind of support?
because
Yeah, yeah. I will
this is
control
the
him.
problem.
But this side is not listening
No,
to me.
no.
What do I do? Yeah, please.
Sir, this is the issue. The issue is, they all want to be the spokespersons, but the day the statement was made, no BJP spokesperson went on television. Why? So which is the spokesperson we don't know. Who is pulling the strings?
Okay, all right.
The train is also going only from Ahmedabad to Nagpur. Sir, so one point, sir. because
Okay,
all
all
my
right.
ti- No, sir, all my time has gone away. Sir, on these issues, there is a difference between the spiritual and the humanitarian. This is a Bharat Ratna who's been insulted. The whole session, in the last session, the Prime Minister did not speak on this issue. There was nothing in the President's address. And yesterday from the
Okay,
head of
you
the-
can
all of
now
us-
speak in the President's
Sir,
address. Now,
the book,
all right.
the book written,
We Rajiv to
the
associate.
book written on Mother Teresa was something beautiful for God. God is
We Rajiv.
everyone's God. So no one to get...
So, Sri P. Rajiv,
Sir, you interrupted me.
I gave him extra time. 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 That's okay. He made his point. You have not given notice. You cannot do this. You have not given notice. You cannot do this. Congress members should behave properly. You are not given notice and you are not allowed. What is? You sit down, Mr. Badror. Sit down. Badror. You are not allowed. Not going on record. What you say is not going on record. You are not allowed. Sit down. You are not given notice. P. Rajiv was given notice. It is not going on record. Mr. Badror, sit down. No. You are not allowed. Badror, sit down. You are not allowed. What he said will not go on record. Only what Rajiv says will go on record.
Thank you, sir. I am associating with the issue raised by my colleague Derek. I have also submitted notice for this. Actually, 2 points I want to add.
You only associate
This is
in 2 sentences.
2 points only, sir. Which is the process of de-iconization of certain individuals is a necessary ingredient for spread of Hindutva nationalism, sir. First, they tried to de-iconize Mahatma Gandhi. Then de-iconize Nehru. Now they are trying to de-iconize Mother Teresa, sir. This is an attempt to communalization in this country. This is totally condemnable, sir. Actually, Mother Teresa, in addition, she is Bharat Ratna, not only Bharat Ratna, in addition to the Nobel laureate. In her speech, while receiving the Nobel Prize, she specifically mentioned that India is my country. She served for the poor of this country. It is not, she stands for the humanitarian concept. Then,
All
sir,
right.
I demand the Prime Minister
Shri
should
Naresh
condemn.
Agarwal.
Yes, sir, I demand the Prime Minister should condemn on the remarks of this man about Mother
Okay.
Teresa. I
Shri
request
Naresh
the
Agarwal.
Prime Minister to condemn this to protect the security
Naresh Agarwal.
of the city. Prime Minister should condemn this, sir. The Prime Minister should condemn.
Yes, all those who associate will be ordered. Naresh Agarwal has given notice. Yeah, all names will be ordered. Mr. Naresh Agarwal,
माननीय सभापति जी,
he has given notice, you have not given notice. Sit down.
मेरी भी
Properly sit down.
हम भी इसी
That is after this. Let him finish. Instead of associating, they are disturbing. That is what I don't like. Yes.
माननीय सभापति जी, मैंने भी मदर टेरेसा के जो अपमानित किया गया उनको उस पर नोटिस दी है और मैं उसी पे बोलना चाहता हूँ। श्रीमान, अभी जिनने किया आपने किया अपमानित, आपके दिल वालों ने,
No.
आप कैसे
Only what Naresh says will go on record. आप बैठिए. Don't create problem. अरे
क्या बोल रहे हैं सर?
श्रीमान ये लोग जो है सांप्रदायिकता फैलाने
मिस्टर
वाले
कटियार जी बैठिए, कटियार जी sit down। अरे ठाकुर साहब बैठिए,
इन्होंने
ठाकुर साहब आप लोग बैठिए, बैठिए बैठिए।
इन्होंने अपोजिट किया। साक्षी महाराज, विनय कटियार,
मिस्टर कटियार, मिस्टर नकवी, आप लोग बैठिए। Sit down. Sit down, sit down. Now please, I would request all of you to resume your seat. All members, please resume the seat. All members except our Agarwal, resume the seat. And Mr. Katiyar ji बैठिए. No, आप बैठिए. You are not given notice. बैठिए. आपने नोटिस नहीं दिया है, बैठिए. अग्रवाल जी बोलिए। एसोसिएट
वो कहा
बोलिए। हाँ बोलिए बोलिए। डोंट लुक एट देयर। कटियार जी बैठिए। मिस्टर कटियार
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
उधर बैठाइए पहले, उनको पहले बैठाइए।
उधर देखिए,
बाहर निकालिए, बाहर निकालिए। Sit down, sit down. Sit down, sit down. All of you sit down, sit down. You can sit down. I am not allowing everybody is.
Sir, I take a strong objection. You appeal to the Minister for Parliamentary Affairs.
Yeah.
That honorable member who is
Hey, leader of the House.
he says, वो क्या कर लेंगे? ये कोई मतलब है? How are you allowing
That is an insult to the minister.
How are you allowing that record?
Yeah, if that is there, I
Is
will.
it wrong if I come to a conclusion that the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs belongs to another religion? Therefore, this person is saying,
No,
how
no, no.
वो क्या कर लेगा?
No.
Is that again?
All right. I will go through the record.
Why are you allowing this?
No. Sit down. I am not allowing anybody.
क्या
Yeah.
बैठे होंगे?
I am not allowing anybody except Agarwal. I am only allowing Naresh Agarwal. I
श्रीमान
request all of you to resume your seat. Allow Mr. Naresh Rao, say, please. Why you disturb him?
Sir, again.
Katiyar, I don't do this. Katiyar, please.
चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका।
Katiyar ji, bolo. No, I will go through the record. No problem. Katiyar ji, baito.
The Prime Minister should
Now, why you trouble him? You sit down. I will deal with Katiyar. You sit down.
श्रीमान
Mr. Vinay Katiyar. Mr. Vinay Katiyar.
माननीय नेता सदन,
You tell me
ऐसे
whom you will
सदन नहीं
listen to.
चलने पाएगा, गलतफहमी निकाल दीजिए।
Whom you will listen to? Will you listen to me?
ऐसे सदन नहीं चलने
Tell me.
पाएगा। अगर आप
Then you take your seat. No, you listen to what he is saying. If you have any point reply, I can understand that. But why do you trouble him, disturb him? Sit down. सुनिए, your leader is here. आप लोग बैठिए. Why you trouble me? Then you people come here and sit. Then why do you want to do this? Up, go back. What is this? Mr. Vinay Katiyar, we want to run the house. Why do you create? Sit down. आप लोग जाइए. आप लोग जाइए. I will. No, आप लोग जाइए. I will solve. जाइए. आप जाइए. Go back, I will solve it. House is adjourned for 15 minutes. House is adjourned for 15 minutes.